Hi, this is Kat with Beadaholique, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a mixed metal twisted necklace. Now I have two chains here, and you can see that they're two different chains because this is a really fun modern design that I think you'll be able to really enjoy if you have extra scraps of chain laying around. So this is a wonderful project to utilize those. I have a chain extender, which you can use or not use, and I'll talk about that in a little bit. I also have a lobster clasp, and then I have some silver and gold jump rings because we're really going to lean into the mixed metals here. And these are both 5mm 21 gauge. Now the only tools that you're going to need is a couple pairs of chain nose pliers. However, if you do need to cut your chain, you will also need a pair of flush cutters. So if you have everything ready to go, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm going to take, now I have 2 feet of each chain here, so I'm going to take one and just sort of lay it across here so you can see that this is the middle part of that chain. And then with the other piece of chain, what I'm going to do is I'm going to find that midpoint there, and then I'm just going to snake it through so that both of those chains come together. So all I'm doing is crossing them over together, and you can see just like so. All right, so now we have our chain. Now I'm going to move this down here, and I'm going to move to the end of this silver chain here. And very simply, I'm going to take my silver jump rings in my chain nose pliers here, and I like to use the bent chain nose pliers. If you have just chain nose and round nose, you can use that as well. But just give it a little twist to open, and then I'm going to slide this onto that last little link there, and I'm going to attach it to the other Moroccan link here. So this is the first part of our chain. So we're going to cut that, or excuse me, we're going to bring those two ends together to close that jump ring. That's what I meant. So close that, make sure we have a good closure there. And then on this side, what I want to do is I'm going to use another silver jump ring here. I'm going to open this up, slip it on to that jump ring that we just added, and here's where I'm going to attach my chain extender, just to my jump ring, just like so. And then come in and close that up. And that is one side of our necklace completed. So now I'm going to move to the other side. You can just see I'm just kind of threading it down here. And we're going to bring those two gold ends together. And you probably guessed what we're about to do. We're going to do very much the same thing. We're going to open up this jump ring here, slide it on to the two end links of the chain, and close that up. And then set that down so we can go and grab the other jump ring here. Now you can absolutely mix up these metals even more if you want to. You can add all kinds of funky stuff in here, but this is just a really simple style that I wanted to show you because I had some chain lying around and I didn't know quite what to do with it. I just didn't want to hang a pendant off of it, so I wanted to do something kind of fun and modern. All right, so now we have our twist in the middle there, as you can see, and now let me see if I can get all of this in frame for you to really take a look at. Let me just adjust off camera and I'm coming back. Here we go. All right, so now we have our chain coming together here, and we have the option to add that chain extender like I said, but we have this really pretty little twist here. So we have one side that is that beautiful silver and the other side that is going to be that lovely little gold there. So I love the idea of using two really different chains. You could also do something similar to this using like a gemstone chain or anything you want, and you could also add a pendant right down there in the center, but I just love that it just sort of does that nice little crisscross over in the center, but that it feels like just one loop of chain. So really modern design, really fun. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are new to our YouTube channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button below to get all the latest from Beadaholique, and to get everything you've seen here in this video, be sure to shop at beadaholique.com.